Hello, I'm Stephanie Soebbing from Quilt Addicts Anonymous, and I am so excited to tell you about our Triangle Masterclass Quilt Along that's starting on Friday, August 20th. For the next 4 weeks, we'll upload a new video tutorial every Monday and Friday, teaching you how to make half square triangles, quarter square triangles, double pinwheels, 4 at a time, no waste flying geese. Then we'll show you how to put everything together so you never lose a point again, and sew a mitered border. Each tutorial will break down the quilt math used to make triangle blocks from squares, and you can use them to master just that block for a quilt you're working on, or you can get our pattern Raspberry Sherbet that uses all the techniques and make the quilt with me. We do have quilt kits using the fabrics I'm using in the videos. You can get all the fat quarters I used, and you get to pick your own background to customize it for you. To get started, make sure you are subscribed to our email list over at shop.quiltaddictsanonymous.com so you don't miss a video. We'll send out the first tutorial on Friday, August 20th. I can't wait to make this quilt with you and help you master half square triangles.